Hello there and welcome to MQL5 Expert Advisor Programming Series. In the last video we learned about how to trade using the moving average strategy with Expert Advisor. In this video we're going to be looking at using the ADX, that is the Average Directional Movement Index. So let's go. A quick recall of what the Average Directional Movement Index is all about. Of course, it's a trend indicator. You recall that you find it here in your trader average directional index movement index, and when you open it, you can set your period. Then you have your you have two other lines, the plus D high and the minus D high. It is generally accepted that once your ADX is above 25, then you have a trend. Once it's above 40, then you have a strong trend. When the positive is above the negative, then you say it's an uptrend, and vice versa. Because this is not your forex basis class, so we're not going to be delving into that. We're just going to stick with how to program your expert advisor using this indicator. Now let's start. So remember, set your input parameters, stop loss. In case you want more, just add that. You include your C trade class so that it makes it easy for you to trade. Now your indicator. Now don't forget the procedure. Number one, you create the handle for the indicator. Then you number two, create a dynamic array. Number three, copy into array. Now let's start. Define the indicator. iADX is the function. So you need your symbol, time frame, and period. Now create an empty dynamic array to hold those values. Okay, so I'm going to create like three. One for the main ADX, the ADX plus, ADX minus. The copy, I'm going to copy into everything. Now this is where it differs here. This is buffer number 0. 0 is for the main ADX line. 1 is for the D plus D high, and 2 is for the minus D high. You round up to the decimal place, and then I create a variable called signal, and say if ADX is smaller than 25, then that's a strong trend. If ADX is plus is smaller than ADX minus, then I say that's a buy. And if it's otherwise, I say signal itself. Now based on what signal tells me, I'm going to make my trade. Before I start, I make sure that I'm not opening more than one positions at a time. In case 1, 2, then you're free. Now I get my ask price and bid price, and then I give signal itself. The signal tells me sell, I sell. If it tells me buy, I buy. Now I want to create comments. There's this function comments. You can see what you want. If comments ADS, you will see how this way come up. ADS, put it, and a backslash n tells the computer to go to the next line. On the next line, write ADS mean, and then give me the value of ADS mean. On the next line, write ADS plus, give me the value of ADS plus. This we're good to go, and we can compile our program. So no errors, so we can go to our trading terminal and test run. In our terminal, you set this and make sure then you can hit start. So if showing now, I wish you could see this ADS, what we did with comments. ADS is 20.5, ADS mean, so you can see your value. So make sure that you're doing the right thing. You can increase the speed of your running. So now you have positions opened with your take profit and stop loss activated. With the space bar, you can stop, you can start. So thank you for watching this video. If you have questions, use the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos.